How to take a camera picture in full screen mode in Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. First of all, open camera. Now in camera, click on four dots more option, and if you want to take a camera picture in full screen mode, then click on this ratio icon. Here you will see 3.4, 9.16, 1.1, and here you will see full. Now click on full. After click on full, take a camera picture in full screen mode from your phone. Now take a picture. Open picture. Now here you will see take a camera picture in full screen mode. This is how you can take a camera picture in full screen mode in Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. I hope you like this video and thanks for watching this video.